Have you ever wondered how the beauty and integrity of historic monuments are preserved in today's digital world? TrueCADD scan-to-BIM modeling services helped renovate a 16th century heritage monument. Our team transformed point cloud data of this heritage monument into a precise digital model using advanced scan-to-BIM technology. The project involved converting over 200 gigabytes of point cloud data into an accurate BIM model within just 60 days. Spanning 580,000 square feet, the monument's model required exceptional attention to detail. It began with state-of-the-art 3D laser scanning, which captured every curve, corner, and intricate carving of the monument with high accuracy. This data formed point clouds, the foundation for the modeling process. From there, our team worked in Revit to transform the point clouds into a detailed building information model. We modeled the monument's structure parametrically, capturing every aspect, from its aesthetic features to its structural components. Original scans were used to craft planes, extrusions, and curves, while designated levels guided the creation of beams, joists, and columns. No detail was overlooked. Each ornamentation and structural element was carefully modeled to ensure the monument's story is preserved. Rigorous QA/QC checks throughout the process guaranteed model reliability for construction planning. The result was a highly detailed and accurate digital replica of the as-built monument. This LOD 400 model provided precise material quantities, labor costs, and renovation timelines. It helped in structural analysis, restoration efforts, and facility management planning. With the 3D model, stakeholders could explore every detail and plan restorations in a virtual environment and in BIM. Curious about how we can bring your restoration projects to life? Contact us today, and let's preserve history with precision and care.